Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am calling this my Cheers makeup tutorial. So Cheers is like a champagne looking eyeshadow and it was very pigmented, way more than I was expected. But yeah, I'm playing with a few new products. One of the new products is this NYX Professional Makeup, the Marshmallow Primer. And I was thinking it was an eyeshadow primer at first, but it's a face primer. So you will see it priming my lids and later on my face. This is what it looks like coming out. So it's kind of thicker, but not too thick. Yeah. What I think about it so far is that I want to wet my sponge next time I apply this. I got the little Christmas gift set, the one that comes with the marshmallow blender. But yeah, the first shade that I'm using for a transition shade is actually the color Secret Santa in this BH Cosmetics Ho Ho Holidays Naughty Palette. And if you didn't see my last eyeshadow look, I did a snow day eyeshadow look on that video, so yeah, check that out. But yeah, I'm just going into the crease, or what I would call my crease, and then I blend it out. The star of the show eyeshadow that I'm going to be using next is called Cheers from that same BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I was not expecting it to be that pigmented. I thought I was going to have to build it up like crazy, but I was pleasantly surprised. It is definitely a favorite eyeshadow out of this palette. And I think the overall look, I'm like looking at my mirror right now as I'm doing this voiceover. I think this makeup look turned out absolutely gorgeous. I really would say this would be a great go-to for the holiday season, after Thanksgiving, before Christmas, hell, even New Year's. The next first time product that I'm using, I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's a e.l.f. I think it was a eyeliner pencil in the color Coffee. I had to look in the garbage can because it doesn't say it. But it comes with a pencil sharpener. But as an eyeliner, it does good, especially for only $1. If you see it and you need a brown eyeshadow, go ahead and get it. But I will say, is kind of sheer, or at least on top of the metallics. Maybe if it was a matte eyeshadow look, it wouldn't be as sheer, but it was a little sheer. But it was nice, especially for only $1 with a sharpener. I liked it. Alright, now I'm using that NYX Makeup Professional Marshmallow blender and the primer for all over my face. Yeah, like I said, I want to use it. I think I'll either try it with a wet blender, this marshmallow blender, and maybe just with my fingers, because I think the sponge soaked up the product. I felt like it should be more moisturizing than it was, but I don't really know. Like I said, this is my first time using this product, so I don't know really how I feel about it right now. And later on when I try this, you'll see a little bit of a problem I had with the bronzer. Okay, this is another first timer of me using. It's not anything new, but it's the e.l.f. 16-Hour Wear Camo Concealer Matte Finish. And this is in the color Fair Rose. It was the whitest one that I could find at my local Walmart. And I did not expect it to be so pigmented. As you can tell in my reaction in this, it is definitely really white, and I could have got away with a lot darker of a color. And also, I wish I wouldn't have picked up the matte finish, because I like my what do you call them, primer, under eye concealer to be more of a creamier, you know, like hydrating. But it looks good in the mirror. It's just, I wish it was hydrating. I like more of a hydrating thing. I don't know why I picked up the matte version. It looked different than what I have tried before, so I picked it up. And if you got freaking dry skin, you should try it because it did mattify. But yeah, you see me right now. I am, I had the, I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but Uoma, Uoma. I have the foundation in T5, but then I picked up T6 because that one was a little too light for me, the T5. And I think T6 is more of my foundation color if you, I stay outside for my job 3 days a week, 12-hour shifts. I stay outside all day pretty much on those days, and I have like a V-shaped tan line on my neck, and my face is tanned a lot more than the rest of my body, so I like to get the darker one. I'm just playing around with my colors on my foundation. I'm not going to get it right. But yeah, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder to set that foundation. But I will say I really love this foundation. As you can tell, I wanted to pick up a darker color, but this foundation is perfect. I have no complaints at all about that foundation. I say it's a medium foundation. It wears great throughout the day. It's not patchy. It doesn't leave your skin dry. It doesn't leave it to, I don't know. It's just perfect. Now, okay, so I was going to use one of my joah eyeshadow or eyebrow pencils, but unfortunately the one I had at my desk ran out, so I was trying to multitask this e.l.f. Eyeliner, but I will say it's much creamier, too creamy for a brow pencil, but I made it work. The next product I'm using is this Milani 01 Sunlight Silky Matte Bronzing Powder. As you can tell, I've hit major pan on this. So I've used this many times before, never had problems with it. It's one of my favorites. But as you see here, I'm checking it out even closer. And I believe, because I know how the foundation works, the only things I don't know how it works on this spot that it got kind of patchy looking is the Marshmallow NYX Marshmallow primer. So I want to say maybe I was being too rough with it. I do the other side too, and it does end up looking better, but I'm not as like, you know, trying to buff it into my skin as much. So I do believe you have to be more careful for this. With this primer, I wouldn't suggest it for anybody with oily skin because my skin is pretty dry. Today, I'm kind of dehydrated. I've been basically only drinking a Monster and coffee today. Not basically, that's all I've been having today. But anyways, yeah, I need to hydrate myself. Okay, let's move on to the next product. Just using that Secret Santa again under my lower lash line to make a smoky look with. And then I'm going to coat my lashes with the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Mascara. Love and True. And you know what? Now that I use the Thrive Cosmetics a lot more here lately, and now I'm going back to the Essence mascara, I think I'm going to just stick with this Essence mascara because it is a drugstore. I can get it at my local CVS, probably Walmart. Normally I get it at CVS because the deals they have off and on, and I just like get makeup at CVS more than Walmart because it looks like someone just went through there and had a party, like a food party in there with makeup. But anyways, yeah, I miss this mascara and I like it more than the Thrive Cosmetics one. Not to say I don't like the Thrive Cosmetics one. It is one of my favorites, but this Essence one's from the drugstore and it does just as good, if not better. Oh, yeah, these eyelashes. I've never seen these eyelashes before, but it was on an end cap, so I don't know if they're new or just the newer one at Walmart at the time. It's called Baddie B Lashes, I think. The false mink lashes. It's cruelty free and vegan, and they was really pretty. And this was in saucy. And side note, I felt really saucy today because I went for the first time ever to a Hispanic market. I guess that's what you would call it. It was more like a little Hispanic food market or whatever. And it was really small and cute, but it reminded me something like Publix mixed with Hispanic Publix. But it's so small, like a mom and pop shop back in the day. Anyway, it was cute, and I felt saucy today with this makeup look, and kind of cheery. I want a mimosa now. Anyways, this lip liner. What is this lip liner? It's a Milani Understatement lip liner in the color 120 French Rose, which I do miss my 150 cinnamon, toasted cinnamon, something like that. I need to drag that back out. I was trying to, this is one of my favorites too. I really love this color, just more for the summertime, but it worked for this look. I love the Understatement lip liners from Milani. They are one of the best. And this is the Kokie Professional Lip Veneer Cream Gloss. I think that's how you say veneer. Veneer Cream Gloss. And this is in the color Unspoken. And this was a good combo. And it got more of that color I was wanting at the beginning. But for real, I should have stuck with the other lip liner. It would have went even better with this look. But this one did just as good. But yeah. Anyways, the finishing spray is the Joah Crystal Glow Refreshing Luminizer Skin Mist. And I forgot how close you need to get with this spray, so I had to spray extra because it's such a fine mist that you really got to get close just to feel it. And I love this spray. It's one of my favorites, and I definitely will be repurchasing that one when it runs out. But yeah, this is the end look. Cheers to everyone. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year's if you're watching this a little later, and until next time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!